Definitely the barrel of a gun. Is it loaded? Oh! Oh! Okay guys, probably a place that I should not be at. We're going to see some guns being made. Assalamu alaikum. He's literally making the gun by hand here out of wood. Shaving the wood, making it nice and smooth. Just a normal Monday here in Peshawar. I've got a replica of a $6,000 Beretta in my hand. This man just made it right here. 7 to 10 days it takes to make this gun. The original cost $6,000, this one is $200. This is a hunting gun. Is it loaded? It's not loaded. Oh! Oh! You heard the gunshots going off. They were shooting them literally right here into this little vat of dirt. This is where they test the guns. He's been making guns for 50 years?
Yes.
Oh wow, he's making like a pistol.
It's a Czech Republic pistol.
Okay, so this is a copy of a $2,000 pistol. $2,500 pistol that he's gonna sell for $200. Most people wouldn't be able to tell the difference between this.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one is a CZ, that one. Yes, it's very dangerous. You know, you can easily kill a man with this. Anti-aircraft.
This can shoot down an aircraft?
Yeah. Also like...
Salam alaikum. That's the trigger. All the shards of leftover aluminum. This, my friends, is the giant hunk of aluminum that this teenager turns into a die where this man in the back will formulate, yes, just like that. And then it turns into this. All in this room. Salam alaikum. Nice to meet you. Definitely the barrel of a gun. Oh, look at that. The crazy part is that there are shards of aluminum flying everywhere and nobody's wearing eye protection, including me, which is kind of stupid. This work here is very meticulous, all done by hand, and the final product, I'm told, is just as high quality as the original. The nicest gun makers I've ever met. Okay, now we're going upstairs. I'm not sure what we're gonna find, but I bet it's gonna be interesting. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Salam alaikum. That's a finished gun? It's a copy of a China? And how much is the original?
$400, and copy is like $80.
Another young gun maker. So he's just testing it here. It looks like quality control before all the pieces are assembled together. Okay, now what's he doing with the bullet? So he's checking to make sure that the bullet goes smoothly. Oh, oops. This is the M4 assault rifle. Look at this thing. Did you make this, my friend?
Yes.
How long does this take to make?
1 month.
1 month to make one gun. You with the camera, stop filming. How much does this cost?
Like $6,000, $7,000. Copy is $700.
I'm not very proud of the fact that everyone in America pretty much has 3 or 4 guns. People apparently have more guns here than in America. So this is big business. Oh, there's another room. It doesn't stop. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, more guns. How many people work in this gun factory? 40? This is no joke. This is the classic AK-47 assault rifle. That does not look new.
No, old. It's old. Repairing.
He's repairing it. Oh, what's that one? Beretta. Guys, I don't really know guns, so if you know the make and model of these guns, please leave it in the comments below. It seems that not everyone is working right now. Enjoy the chai. Enjoy the chai. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Enjoy your chai. Goodbye. Hey guys, if you're still here, you're gonna love my other videos from 6 incredible weeks in Pakistan. From unique food, to killer festivals, to wacky sports like kabaddi. I have so many interesting stories to tell. You know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. And while you're at it, check out another video right here. Pakistan Zindabad!